Let's get started with GeoVision. The first step to create your account is to fill in your information. Verify your email and answer a few questions about yourself. You can also skip this part. A workspace is a secure, centralized hub where your team and project live. I'm going to name this workspace after a company name. You can name yours however you wish. I'll skip inviting the team at this step. I can do it later on from the members section in my workspace dashboard. I'll choose the free plan for this video. Now you can see my workspace has been successfully created. Let's add our first project. Click on the drop-down and select Create New Project. Fill in your project's name. The project description is optional, and you can set different access permissions. I'm going to choose Workspace, so all my workspace members can view the project. In order to be able to send data and models to this project, let's say from Revit, we have to install GeoVision's Revit plugin, so click on Install Plugins. Click Download, and you'll be guided to our website's plugin page. Click Download for Revit again, and make sure that the plugin version matches your software version. If you get a warning asking you whether you trust GeoVision's Revit plugin installer, make sure to click Keep and Keep Anyway, as demonstrated. Open your file and click Run Anyway. Make sure your Revit software is closed while installing the GeoVision Revit plugin. Click Install and continue the process. Open any model file you want in Revit. Choose GeoVision from Revit's menu to open the plugin window. Click the Sign In button to authorize access to your account. Select Publish and select your project's name, or just create a new project. It's time to create a model. Models help you organize your data within a project. You can do this organization by different responsibilities or disciplines. I'm going to go ahead with the disciplines and name this model Architecture. You have to select objects to send them to your model. You can do this by choosing different views or different categories, and since I want to send my entire model to the cloud, I'm going to select all the categories. Choose the rest of the settings options as you need them to be, and click Publish. Every time new data is published to a model, a new version is automatically created. What I can do is set a message for each version to keep track of progress. Click View to see your model inside the web app. There are multiple features inside the playground that help you interact with your models or collaborate with clients and teammates. Let's go through them. You can adjust the lighting and sun shadows on your building's facade and interior. You can switch between different view modes. Use the Explode tool to visualize how objects are assembled and come together. Use the section box to access the spaces you need. Use the Measurement tool to verify the accuracy of your design. Leave comments directly on the model. Use the Model section to view the versions you have uploaded, with the latest version always displayed at the top. You can hide or show different elements within the model and access detailed metadata for each element on the left side of your screen. Use the Filter section to search for objects based on their properties or values. Use the Discussion section to track and manage comment threads. Click Fit to adjust the view so that the entire model fits within your screen. Use the Camera control to view the model from different perspectives. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials and workflow videos.